engine just popped off. That was an engine pop-off valve. It's what happens when the pressure gets too high. Sorry, I haven't any cab videos this year, but we're doing things a little different.
Oh, you're my hero, thank you.
Looks like we have the auxiliary tender over here. We did some work on this about 3 years ago. New patch was welded in. I think this is one of the repairs we did. I think I was there when Bob Gold from B&B Steam Restoration worked on this project. They're welding new plates in there. Oh, check that out, a truck, it says Nickleplate on it. And we have models. I'm gonna get a picture with them in a minute here.